Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny, and I have a treat for you today. I have a house for 5 million Jamaican dollars in Kingston, Jamaica. So if you want to see that house with other Kingston homes, keep on watching. So before we jump into the $5 million home, I have some other affordable homes that I want to show you. You know, we always show multiple homes. This one is listed for 11 million Jamaican dollars or 71,470 US or 54,748 pounds. This is located on Vauxhall Avenue in the Kingston 2 area, and this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom property. This home sits on a lot size of 3,600 square feet. So this property is one that you can gain some income from because it is split into two sections. On the first larger side, you have 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with a kitchen, living room, dining room, and a veranda. And then on the next side, you have 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, a kitchenette, living room, veranda, and a laundry area. Now, just looking at this home, I do appreciate, the design and just, how it is structured, laid out. As you can see, you have your grills, and I just like this is a veranda space. It just looks nice and cozy. You guys can sit on your veranda and take in some lovely fresh air. Of course, sometimes I do, show that these fixer uppers, but this one is like not in any terrible condition at all. Like, look at the living room. It's not the largest and most spacious space. As you can see, that's the kitchenette, so it's going to be smaller, but it's very livable. All right, and I like the paint and the colors that, even though we shouldn't focus on those things, but it just looks kind of, airy and bright. So if you guys are interested in this one, I will leave the link to the realtor in the description box down below. And as you know, the description box is that section that's just below the title of the video. As you can see, here is a living room. You can see some ceramic tiles, and the house looks good condition. Tell me, guys, what you think about this home down in the description box down below. Right, I think it's a nice one. Yeah, and you guys can check it out. Tell me what you think. Reach out to the realtor if you are interested. All right, so as we continue to look at the house, as you can see, this is like the kitchen area, and you can see it's a tiled countertop. It does have some cabinetry and some built-ins here. Maybe you want to go in and update that, but it's not a shabby space at all. As you can see, you have your nice dining area here, which can hold like a 6-seater dining table. Here are the bedrooms. They're a bit small, but if you have a growing family, this would be a good one for you. The bathroom seems to be quite spacious to me. It's not bad at all. And here is another bedroom that will be a really good kids bedroom. All right, so if you're interested in this one, again, guys, remember, check the link in the description box down below. Here's another bathroom, and it's not bad at all. Remember to tell me in the comments what you think of this home. All right, love hearing from you guys. And let's now talk about the $5 million home that I know you guys have been dying to hear about. So this house is listed for 5 million Jamaican dollars or 32,487 US or 24,886 pounds. It is located in Duhaney Park, Kingston 20, and it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 2-story building. Now, I must say, Duhaney Park, it has seen a little uptick in violence over the years, but when I'm presenting these homes to you guys, I really do not want to speak on violence and all of this in there, because you know what, a lot of this is up to perception. It's up to how a person might perceive a place. Someone may feel safe where another person feels uncomfortable, right, and in danger. So I really do not like to speak about like crime and violence in the area because, as I said, it's all about perception. You know, Duhaney Park may be the best place for someone else to live, and I do not want to rob you guys of that opportunity of jumping on this house. So I am going to present it to you. So if you are interested, you can definitely jump on it, or maybe somewhere that you would be interested in renting out. All right, so the realtor that you're going to call is Andrea Stoltz Rhône, and her contact is 876-366-5023, and I'll leave all her information in the description box as well. Jumping right into the next home is this one here, listed for 26 million Jamaican dollars, or US $168,930, or 129,405 pounds. It's located on Cardigan Crescent in the Kingston 20 area, and this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom property. Now, Cardigan Crescent is a turn, like a few turn offs from Washington Boulevard in the Washington Gardens area. This house sits on a lot size of 5,900 square feet, which means that you have room for expansion. All right, so if you want to build up some more rooms, expand on the existing structure, you can definitely do so with this lot size. All right, and you'll see in the pictures as well. I really love how this house was maintained and kept updated, and I just love how inside features and everything just seems very up to date. As you can see, you do have your AC units already built in. I like the tiling. It just gives a really nice, like, clean, crisp look. I love the kitchen as well, the cabinetry. You can see it looks really well done and pretty modern and nice. So this is just towards like the side of your yard. You do have some trees and some plants there, and you're going to see the big space towards the back for expansion, that you can just expand your house, build up more and more and more and more and more. So you do have quite a large lot size to work with, and this is towards the front of the house, right? So lots of space for the persons who are always eager for space. So again, this one is listed for 26 million Jamaican dollars, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom property. So the last home I have to show you guys in my Kingston and St. Andrew video is this house, listed for 16 million Jamaican dollars, or US 103,957, or 79,634 pounds. This one is located on Waterhouse Drive in the Duhaney Park, Kingston 20 area. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom property, and it sits on a lot size of 3,089 square feet. All right, so if you want more details and more information about this one here in Duhaney Park, you can click the link in the description box to reach out to the realtor and get some more information. If you want to go ahead and do a viewing, you can do so as well. So this is just the backyard area. As you can see, it's going to need some work. All right, some work with landscaping and all of that. But in the interior of the house, it's not too shabby. Kind of look a bit closed off and a little closed up, but it's definitely workable. So if you're interested in this one, again, you got to click the link in the description box, reach out to the realtor, and schedule a viewing. Again, it's 16 million Jamaican dollars, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, sitting a lot size of 3,089 square feet. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any videos. Thank you so much for supporting my last 2 videos. They were really well received. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share with your friends and family, anyone you know is on the hunt for a home. Follow me on all socials, that's TikTok and Instagram at Safe Haven. And yeah, join me tomorrow. We're going to do some country homes. So for the persons who have been asking me about Manchester, we're going to look at some St. Catherine homes, again, and we're going to look at some St. James homes. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow for that video. Really exciting. And until the next video, bye guys.